Hey all, this is Dan with Sleep Ride. Me and my buddy Chad are out here on Mount Hood, and we're about to take the old Sleep Ride platform for a test drive. I wanted to have Chad here because I wanted somebody that has never put this thing together and put it into a car before to take a look at the Sleep Ride platform and see how easy it is to actually get everything in place and have it installed in under 10 minutes. So all that said, I've got Chad here and he's about to install the Sleep Ride platform for the first time.
Let's do it.
All right, so the first thing that Chad is gonna do is he's gonna create that space where the platform is gonna go. So he's taking the seat all the way forward, he's folding it. And yes, I did pre-coach him a little bit on that. All right, and the same to the passenger side. We already got the back seats down and the headrests out. So Chad is going to assemble the platform first. One thing that I would say about taking this apart, so what I've got going on here is I've got a couple of magnets that hold the two pieces together. So what Chad was doing is he was peeling the magnets apart, the pieces of wood. So now he's got the headrest pieces. So there are two different kinds of headrest pieces for the Subaru Crosstrek. So we've got the smaller single one.
Do these lock in or?
Yeah, so you just, good call. So it's another good part. So what Chad is doing is he's just pushing it into the headrests. So like I said, I removed the old headrests. And so now he's got another, so Chad, that one actually comes onto this side. And I'll show you the difference between this little one here for the two right and left sides. Good, yeah. And just slide it all the way in until it stops. And then he's got the middle one there. So now if you see this one here, it's got two knobs. Actually, really quick, first, let's flip that over so they can see. So there's two knobs on these things. And there's threaded inserts into the platform, and then there's also this little guide hole. So if you flips it back over, then you can see that we've also got the guide pins to help align the platform. So okay, so here's the magic. This is the headrest. One thing I'd say, Chad, is actually we lift this up there, and then it'll go in easier. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. So now he's gonna come to the back. And he's putting his legs on. So as you can see, the legs are angled. And you'll see how that works when we get it installed. Nice. Nice and tight. Good work.
These look
Okay.
the same, so...
Yeah, so, yep. So here's what you're looking for on this. This L goes onto the left side. Right? And you'll see how that fits in, because it fits in perfectly in between the center console. So yeah, so just kind of move it in place. And here's where you got to kind of feel it a little bit more. So actually what I like to do is I like to get a lower look. So if you look lower, and I start with the outside one, and then just kind of feel your way. Yeah, so actually this center one just slipped in. So take and start tightening the center one first. Yeah. Yeah, just get it started. Perfect. Now move on to your other one. I like to keep them loose just so you have a little bit more wiggle room before you tighten the whole thing down.
Yep.
Good work. Heard that click into place.
Yep.
Yeah, so again, like I said, I usually leave these loose until the end. And then I move on to the other board. Beautiful. Nice and tight. Yeah. I was gonna say, you get that the first try? Look at you. His first time and is a seasoned vet. Let's see what's going on over here. Yeah. I don't quite think that's in yet. Yeah, so feel around. Just kind of wiggle the headrest piece, and then you'll feel it kind of. Yeah, there you go. And then start twisting. There you go. Yeah, this is a design that I've really worked with and modified to try and get to be as easy as possible. The variations that I've gone through with this design is quite a lot. Good. Yeah. And so typically right here, what I like to do is, I mean, it's all in there. So yeah, Chad's just gonna come in and finish tightening it down, and we've got a space to sleep comfortably.
All right.
Did you get it tightened down all the way? It's a little loose still. I'm making him get down to tighten that middle one a little bit more. There it is. Must have twisted itself out a little bit. Very good. And I'm just gonna quickly double check. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight. Take that, just move it in. Perfect. Yeah. So the other thing that I just wanted to see or show you, but okay, been filming for about 7 minutes, so it took Chad about 7 minutes to get this in place. It's in here, and since we're in here, Chad, go ahead and just kind of start pushing around on that thing, just to show people how like secure it is. Yeah. Right?
It's not moving.
So it's not moving anywhere. Awesome. Chadwick, great work. Great install. One last, oh here, let's get the thumbs up. Yeah. All right, thanks again, Chad. That was awesome. You were really quick at putting that together. I mean, tell me, how'd it feel?
That was pretty smooth, pretty easy,
Okay.
pretty self-explanatory, and
Yeah.
all went together.
Minimal
Real
instructions,
quick.
right? Yeah. Awesome. All right, so we're gonna use this thing because, like I said, we're up here on Mount Hood, and we're about to do some camping.